Hello, this is Dr. Pan. Look at this tiny little wet stuff in the mouth. It's not only for tasting pizza. Actually, in Chinese medicine, it's a real-time health dashboard. It reflects your body condition, like internal landscape, like yin, yang, qi, xuan. By watching the tongue body, the tongue coating, and the tongue color, we can gather a lot of useful information of your body. Therefore, we can assume what's the problem of your organs, especially we can find and identify some underlying problems of your body, your organs. Then we can find a way to manage the body condition. We can find a way to prevent the things going worse, especially some severe disease. That's why I strongly recommend everybody of us learn a little bit of Chinese tongue diagnosis. The very tip of the tongue represents your heart condition and your mental well-being. Just slightly inwards of the tip, it represents your lung condition, respiratory disease. Both sides, your gallbladder and liver condition. And in the central, in the middle part of it represents your digestion, like a stomach, spleen problems. The root of the tongue represents your kidney, urological problem, your uterus, bladders, men's problem, women's problem. Now let's talk about another important clue of your body condition is the vein under the tongue. The vein under the tongue is very important. You know why? Because it's a manifestation of your blood circulation. If you see the vein is invisible, it usually means insufficient blood supply. But if you see the swollen, the color turn to black, purple, that's a sign of, the blood circulation blockage. Therefore, that's why you see the patients, they might have a tingling sensation of the hands, both hands, or they feel swollen, long lips and hands. They feel some pain, physical pain here, some places. It cannot move. It's not movable. It's a stable pain there. Even those people with the swollen vein, they have more tendency to suffer like a massive cyst. By palpation, you can find some like a thyroid gland, nodules, breast nodules, even lung nodules. That's all the manifestation of your blood circulation problem. So what should we do? We have to unblock the blockage of the body, the blood circulation. Then we can regain the balance of the yin yang. Then your body will recover. What is normal color of the tongue? Should be pale red, neither too red nor too pale. So the normal color should be light red with some moisture, with a very smooth texture of the tongue body without any cracks, without any too heavy tongue coating. That's normal tongue color and normal tongue shape. So today we're gonna help you to decode some abnormal color of your tongue. Now, first one we're talk about the pale. It's like a whitish tongue of your body. The pale tongue indicates your yang qi deficiency. It might go with symptoms like a fatigue, dizziness, vertigo, or easy to catch colds, your palpitation, like heart problems. Then you might also suffer another symptoms like, some poor digestion, diarrhea, and also have a poor memories, easy to get anxious, depressed. This means your body are begging for warmth, begging for yang qi. What about the red tongue, like angry strawberry reds? So that's a sign of your yin deficiency. Those patients, they might suffer night sweating and palms, the sore of the feet, the heat. This is called inner heat. It's a sign of inflammation, infection of your organ somewhere. That's why you might see the patient, they might suffer ulcer here, there, especially the mouth ulcer. So it means your body need water, need more yin to nourish your body. Now we're going to talk about another color. It's called dark purple or purple color. Even with the bruise both sides of the tongue. If somebody have this tongue, and you can be watch out in a body condition, because that's a sign of the obstruction of your blood flow. We can say blockage of your meridians. So therefore, the patients, they may suffer nodules, cyst, swollen some areas, the pain somewhere. When the blood flow goes smoothly, all the symptoms then can be cured.